Bienvenido! Are you ready to learn Spanish? I am ready to teach you. Today I will be teaching you the numbers from 31 through 100. Let's begin. Alright, so I repeat the English version one time and then I'm going to repeat the Spanish version 3 times. Do not forget to repeat after me. Numbers. Números. 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 31. 31. 31. 31. 32. 32. 32. 32. 33. 33. 33. If you notice, on the last one, when I say it faster, it gets together right here between the treinta, the E, and the tres, because that's the speed. Once you become more fluent, it's going to seem like the words are going to be touching each other. Okay? Very well. Let's continue. 34. 34. 34. 34. 40. 40. 40. 40. 41. 41. 41. 41. 41. 42. 42. 42. 42. 43. 43. 43. 43. 44. 44. 44. All right, before I continue, I don't know if you noticed, but there is a pattern being developed, and that pattern means that uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, y nueve, they are all added to the end of the whole number. Like, for example, cincuenta, you just add E and then the single digit on the right. That it's from the 30th. On the 20s, there are some different ones, but from the 30 and up, everything is the same pattern. Okay, let's continue. And you'll notice it right now. 50, cincuenta, 50, 50, 51, 51, 51, 52, 52, 52, 53, 53, 53, 54, 54, 54, 54, 60. Now, right here on the 60, make sure that you say it with the cc, cc, because lots of people, and also the some of the native speakers, they have trouble between the cc. Okay, but I'll explain it right now when I get to the 70. All right, let's say 60, sesenta, 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 61, 61, 61, 62, 62, 62, 62, 63, 64, 64, 64, I'm sorry, 63, 63, 63, 63, 63. Well, that's just a proof that I am human and that we all make mistakes. Let's continue. All right, right here, so 70. If you notice, the only difference is the S and the T in sesenta y setenta. Make sure that when you pronounce 70, you have an emphasis of the T in Spanish. And this is how it is. Setenta, setenta, setenta. Okay? 60 is sesenta, double S, sesenta. And 70, setenta. So be careful with that. Here we go. Setenta, setenta, setenta. Don't forget to repeat after me, okay? And also subscribe. Tell your friends. Share this video with your friends and let them know that you are taking Spanish. Let's continue. 71, 71. 71, 71, 71, 72, 72, 72, 73, 73, 73, 80, 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 81, a little bit faster, 81. See, that's how someone who speaks fast Spanish, this is how it's gonna sound, 81. Okay, so once you get the fast pace, then that's how you're gonna hear it, 81. Let's continue. 82, 82, 82, 90, 90, 90, 90, 91, 91, 91, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. There is that numbers from 31 hasta 100. I hope that you learned something today. Make sure to review the video and play it as many times as you like, and learn those numbers, because the following classes will have questions with numbers where you have to use the numbers to say birthdays and additions and all of that. So this is the end of this class, and don't forget to subscribe to continue getting your free classes. Hasta la próxima.